this is Brian from Encaustic Art Plus. Welcome to the unboxing video of the compact hot plate. This hot plate is available from Encaustic Art Plus via our Amazon or Etsy store. The hot plate is powered via the iron, so you do need the separate iron to go alongside this hot plate. The iron comes within the starter set or is available as a separate entity from our shop, both on Etsy and Amazon, if you decide you want a second unit. We're going to do an unboxing video and I'm going to show you how to set it up. So it will arrive like this, and you slide the sleeve off. All of the instructions come in 5 languages, including English. Just pop that out of the way. Hopefully you can see in there. I'm just going to tip it out carefully onto the table. That's everything out of my box. So we've got a nice little instruction book here. It's showing you how to set this tool up. Different tools you can use with this tool, which if you watch our other videos you will find videos on these tools in due course, and then we will start doing how to paint using this tool as well. So they're the instructions. Right. So it comes in a bubble wrap bag. They're built really strongly, these little hot plates. So I've just turned that just to get it out of the bag. Again, I'll just move the bag out of the way. And this hot plate has an iodized surface, which makes it easy to clean. And it's got cardboard on its legs at the minute, which we're going to remove. There we go, that's come off. So we can take all that away. So it's got 4 little rubber feet and it stands quite nicely. And on one side they've even taken the trouble to put the logo, which is rather nice. Right, we need to turn this thing onto its back to set it up. Right, what we've got to do is put the iron into what's called the hot plate position. So we take the handle off. I'll do that again for you to see. So my handle's back on. Right, so what we do is there's a little switch at the back with an arrow on it. Pull the little switch, lift up the handle slightly, and then pull the handle away backwards, like so. That handle will just come away. Then we pop, again all this is done while the iron is not plugged in, pop the handle over the green part of the iron but not over the black part, and then just push and it will click into position and it's like locked. So you've got that. Okay, there's 2 nuts inside the just here on the left and here on the left and the right, and by just unscrewing those a little bit it just gives a little bit of room and a little bit of manoeuvrability just to get this iron plate along there. Okay. And you want to be pushing that all the way home. Alright. Then just screw down the bolts. on both sides. They feel nice and tight. How I like to use this hot plate is I tend to turn this up a little bit more. So instead of having it on the low setting, I tend to just turn it a little bit more toward, just only a couple of marks towards the higher setting. It's about halfway between high and low. That would all sit nicely, like so, and you'll be ready to go. A little tip to keep the hot plate nice and clean: pop a piece of thin paper over the top, and then you're not having to clean your hot plate surface all the time with your wax. You can just rip it off and start again, then you're not having that excess all the time. That we will show you in other videos as we go along. That's how to assemble the compact hot plate. This compact hot plate will easily take an A5 encaustic painting card, and slightly bigger than that, but not quite an A4. If anyone's got any questions, feel free to pop them in the comments below and I will try and get back to you on them. Thank you for your support.